Stop pretending you're okay. Look at your heart right now. Really look at it. All the scrolling, all the distractions, all the late nights trying to fill an emptiness that keeps coming back. You laugh with friends, you post on social media, you keep yourself busy. But when the lights go off and you're alone with your thoughts, that voice whispers, "Is this all there is?" I have news for you. There is a way out, and His name is Allah. He sees your tears at 3 a.m. He knows the weight you're carrying, and He did not leave you in darkness. The Ayah revealed. In Surah Al-Ma'idah, Ayah 16, Allah reveals the most beautiful promise. يهدي به الله من اتبع رضوانه سبل السلام ويخرجهم من الظلمات إلى النور بإذنه ويهديهم إلى صراط مستقيم, by which Allah guides those who pursue His pleasure to the paths of peace and brings them out from darknesses into the light by His permission and guides them to a straight path. This is not just poetry. This is not just beautiful words. This is a binding promise from the Creator of the heavens and the earth. The condition of guidance. But listen carefully, because most people miss this. Allah says, those who pursue His pleasure. He doesn't say those who were born Muslim. He doesn't say those who have Muslim names. He doesn't say those who pray when it's convenient. He says those who pursue His pleasure, those who make Allah their goal, their priority, their obsession. Like a mother searching for her lost child in a burning building, like a drowning man gasping for air, like a trapped animal fighting for freedom. That is how you pursue Allah's pleasure. How badly do you want Him? That is the only question that matters. The paths of peace. Then Allah promises subul as-salam, paths of peace. Not one path, but many paths, because peace comes in many forms. Peace in your heart when everyone around you is panicking. Peace in your home when divorce is destroying families everywhere. Peace in your grave when you're alone for the first time in darkness. Peace on the day of judgment when the sun is burning close and you're standing in the shade of His throne. This is not the fake peace of pills and alcohol, not the temporary peace of everything is fine when everything is falling apart. This is real peace, the peace of knowing your Lord is pleased with you. From darknesses to light. Then comes the most powerful part. يُخْرِجُهُمْ مِنَ الظُّلُمَاتِ إِلَى النُّورِ. He brings them out from darknesses into the light. Notice Allah says darknesses, plural, because the darknesses are many. The darkness of zina that leaves you empty and ashamed. The darkness of riba that traps you in a prison of your own making. The darkness of backbiting that destroys your good deeds while you sleep. The darkness of envy that burns your heart. The darkness of doubt that whispers, Allah doesn't love you, you're too far gone, there's no hope for someone like you. But the light is one. It's the Quran, it's guidance, it's certainty. It's the feeling of sujood when you don't want to get up, because for the first time all day you feel at home. Every single day you choose darkness or light. There is no middle ground. The straight path. And finally, وَيَهْدِيهِمْ إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ, and He guides them to a straight path. Not a crooked path that twists with every desire, not a path that changes with every trend, not a path that sells out for $1 or a compliment or a few likes on social media. The straight path, the path of the prophets who suffered and remained patient, the path of the martyrs who gave everything and regretted nothing, the path of the righteous who cried in the night when no one was watching. This path doesn't end at a grave. This path ends at Jannah. This path ends with His face. And let me ask you, what could possibly be more important than that? The urgency. But here's the thing you cannot ignore. You don't know if you'll see tomorrow. The grave is waiting for every single one of us. The questions are coming. Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet? And on that day, when you're standing alone in that dark place, nothing will matter except this. Did you pursue His pleasure? All the money you saved, all the followers you collected, all the people who praised you, gone. Only your pursuit of Him remains. Only your choice matters. So I'm not asking you to be perfect today. I'm asking you to start. Start pursuing His pleasure right now in this moment. Pray one prayer on time. Read one page of Quran with meaning. Make one sincere dua from the depths of your heart. O Allah, guide me. O Allah, I want your pleasure. O Allah, take me out of darkness and put me in your light. One thing, just one thing, do it today. Not tomorrow, not next week, not when Ramadan comes, today. Comment Allah right now if you're choosing the light. Share this video with someone who needs to hear it, because one share could be the reason someone leaves hellfire forever. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss the next message that could save your soul. Don't just watch this and forget. Don't let this moment pass you by. Pursue Him before it's too late. Allah is waiting for you to take the first step. What are you waiting for?